We've got some porterhouse steak, which is Lenny's favorite. He successfully has ignored all the other food that we've left in front of him, so this one will be a challenge.
The real test.
Okay, wait.
Here we go.
Okay.
Okay,
Stay
we'll see
there.
you soon.
We'll see you soon.
Just wait.
Wait.
Oh my god, did you
Good
do
boy,
it?
you
Good
didn't
boy.
eat it.
Oh my god, now you do. Oh
Okay.
my god.
Oh,
But he did so
good
good.
boy, good Lenny.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Could your dog do this? I don't know.
Good boy, buddy.